Alright guys, so we did come up to something here. I'm not sure what this is. Massive waterfall down here. And I like to try to get to it. This is beautiful. Wow. What's up everybody? Today I am here at Mina Sauk Falls Trail, and before we get on this trail I just have to show you this absolutely beautiful view that was on the side of the road here. Look at this, guys. Wow, that is absolutely breathtaking. Alright guys, so we are on the Mina Sauk Falls Trail. It's a lot to put together, but we are here this afternoon here in the Ozarks, and let me tell you, it was a long drive. It seemed like forever just to get here, but I will tell you, it was absolutely a beautiful drive out here. This is a loop trail. It's about 3 miles. And I've never been on this before. Don't even know if I've really been out this far down south. I've come close, but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful out here. The drive here was like a mini Colorado. It was totally neat. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so we've come to a split in the trail. One leads right, the other one leads left. I think we're gonna go right because that's the way to take all the way around the trail, and then we end up back here at the end of it. Like I said, it is about a 3-mile trail. It does cross paths with other trails, I believe, that are like 14 miles long, some shit like that. I mean, that's crazy, but we're not doing all that today. We're just going to do this little 3-mile hike and check out some of the scenery around it. Okay, never mind. This is the split in the trail. This is the actual trail here. So, heads off that way or that way. We're going that way. I do not know what to expect on this trail. I know there is some scenic stuff along the way. So that's what we're mainly here for. So hopefully the scenery is worth it. Now mind you, we are in the Mark Twain Forest National Park. It's pretty wild out here. There's not a lot of human civilization besides these trails and some farmers around in the area. That's about it. And there's a few big towns nearby, but once you're out in this forest, man, you're out in it. Here comes a little stream, I guess, or just, what is this? I don't know what this is here, guys. Guess it's just a little stream. Cool. This trail's upkeep so far is right on point. Very well taken care of so far. I have a feeling it's probably going to get worse the further we get into it, but that should be expected, being way out here in the Ozarks. I'm trying to let these people get a bit in front of me, but man, they're slow. Good grief. Might be one of those hikes, guys. Like I was saying, guys, this trail is going to get a little bit more rugged along the way. I knew it wouldn't be perfect like it was back there. This is definitely some ankle breaking rocks. So when you're on this trail, just be careful. take your time. There was a sign back there that said, give the trail at least 2 to 3 hours, being with water on the trail and the rocks. This is what they're talking about. It's gonna take an extra 3 hours. This family don't keep going. Good grief. This area is so beautiful. Now you guys are probably wondering what I packed with me for some snacks along this trail. Well, I brought myself a Cliff Bar. Can't go wrong with one of those. Big old water and a protein bar. I don't remember the name of it, but I was gonna eat one on the way here, but I decided not to, and I would just wait until we get on the trail and see what we get ourselves into, because I might get hungry multiple times. I passed that family, nice family. I was thinking while I'm out here, I should probably learn my animals while I'm out here, like the snakes, bugs, birds. Well, the birds I have down, majority of them, but all the other wildlife, yeah, I should probably study up on them while I'm out here so I know what to avoid and what is okay to pet. Just kidding. Here's some more rugged trail through here. As you can see, this is why they're saying take your time, because this can be quite the mess. This is a neat little area. Pretty sure we'll probably find ourselves a snake out here somewhere. Maybe. Maybe not. Huh. It is kind of a cool area. Well, there's some more people up in front of us. It's just quite the day for people getting out. It is a lovely day though, that's for sure. Alright, so we're coming up to a scenic area. It's really freaking pretty actually. Wow. This nice little rock formation area. This is pretty neat. There is a family in front of me, so that's kind of why I'm waiting to do our little scenic view. I want them to enjoy it, because it is really neat. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Like, on video does it no justice. It is absolutely just beautiful. Wow. That is just awesome. So that's where we were coming down here, and then it comes right to this scenic view. Beautiful. Very beautiful. 2 to 3 hours, guys. 2 to 3 hours. That's what they said to give yourself walking this trail. I think I'm going the right way. I mean, I hope. This kind of looks like a freaking creek that I'm in. All the water. Huh. This trail is bonkers. Good lord. Any wrong step, dude, and it's like game over. Got some people behind me. They're from, it sounds like Australia. There's deep, heavy Australian accents. It was pretty cool. This is neat right here. A little spring. That's our trail. Good grief. This is neat from the water streaming down it right here. Oh man. Well, this is neat. I don't know about stepping in all the water, but all right, we made it. Got some big rock formations over here. This trail is fucking crazy. I mean, it's like that all the way down, I guess. Good grief. Now I see why they say take the extra time, because it's rough. Guys, so we did come up to something here. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks cool as shit. Look at this. Big old rock right there, hanging off the edge. Some more rock formations here. Whoa. Sweet. Uh-oh. I don't know where the trail goes. I wonder if this is it right here. A massive waterfall down here. And I like to try to get to it. The problem is, I don't know if I can. So it looks to be what I'm taking right now is an old path to get down there, but I could be severely wrong, which I probably am, because it does not look like a safe trail by any means. Huh. There's no safe way to get down there. That rock is way too loose to even try to attempt to get down there. Damn it. Well, we'll just go back up and I'll just show you the top view of it, guys. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow. I would love to get into this. Wow. Look how clear that water is, guys. What I wanted to show you was the overflow over here, but I don't know how to get to it. Alright, so we're gonna just go on top of it. Man, I just absolutely love this. Alright. This is where I'm testing the waters, guys. Look at this. I'm not going to get too much closer because my luck, I'll hit a slippery spot and down I go, and that's the end of Eric. But, I mean, this is just, look at this. Beautiful. Alright, now we got to get back over. Alright. Look at this view. This is incredible. Alright, so it sounds like there's more up there. And that's where we're gonna head, in that direction. Some big fishes in there, shockingly. What they are, I have no idea. Guys, we're gonna try to climb up all this rock, so wish me luck. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. I met some nice fellas from Cape Girardeau on a group hike. I hope they finish their hike safely. This is just absolutely beautiful. Now this we're gonna have to cross. That is absolutely beautiful. Well, that was an absolute blast. Holy cow. That was one of the neatest things I've seen. Absolutely just brilliant time. I don't know which way to go now. Let me bust out my All Trails map. Alright, so we are going the right way. We still got a little bit of ways to go, but honestly, we're about halfway done. Now I get the pleasure of climbing all this. I think did say the red trail was this way. I think this is the trail. Sure don't look like it. What the hell? I guess this is the trail. I have no idea, guys. This is wild. Oh shit. Okay. So this is the trail. Alright. Ooh, that could have ended bad. My boot slipped. Yikes. Oh wow. Look at that. Well, you guessed it, guys. We're going. Wow. Such a beauty, guys. This is tremendous. Alright guys, now we gotta get back up. That's okay, because my parkour is on point. At least so far. All right. That was really, really worth it getting down there. The climb wasn't too terrible. Now we just got to try to finish this trail. Here's some more waterfalls. Mini falls. Ooh, that's beautiful. Back to the trail. I do not know what is to be expected on this trail the rest of the way. It could be a number of things, but I do know that we are about halfway through, and again, I don't know what lies ahead of us. Hopefully it's some neat stuff. Lizard. Ah, run. There's our first wildlife. Little lizard. Alright guys, well I'm gonna end this video right now because the waterfall area was about the most exciting thing on this trail. Since I left that area, there's been absolutely nothing, and I am at the end, so it is time to go home. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I've had a blast being out here. Highly recommend this trail. It is the Mina Sauk Falls Trail out here in the Mark Twain National Forest. Please come out here and check it out. There's other trails, but they're like 10, 14 miles long. That's not for me. I'm not ready for that kind of stuff yet. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. And if you haven't already done it, hit the like and subscribe. And as always, guys, if you know somebody who likes this kind of content, please share it. Take care and God bless. I had to.